Welcome to Arivu AI. Are you spending precious hours every day answering the same repetitive FAQ questions? We have the solution. Your business is growing, but your time is limited. Questions about hours, prices, location, or services constantly flood your WhatsApp. Wasting time on these FAQs can mean missing crucial opportunities to close deals. Introducing your Arivu AI WhatsApp chatbot agent. Our AI system transforms your WhatsApp into a 24-hour sales agent, providing instant, accurate answers to every customer query. How does it work? It's incredibly simple. You can keep your FAQ documents manually in Google Drive, or our AI system can even scrape your website to identify all associated FAQs. It then intelligently learns and replies. This frees you up. You can now focus on closing deals and growing your business, not wasting hours answering FAQs. And the best part? Our chatbot works 24 hours a day, even when you're asleep. No more customers diverting to other businesses because of a delayed reply. Perfect for various businesses like salons, kindergartens, tuition centers, car repair centers, clinics, and many more. Let Arivu AI WhatsApp chatbot supercharge your productivity.